Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My week results does not look pretty right now. Don't be worried about it. Please, it's gonna go back up. Let me tell you guys, this video is to pinpoint why you should buy Enservco stock. I know we're looking at my chart, but this is the Enservco stock. I bought it around here, shot up, got out around here as it went down. Lost a lot of profit, but it's okay. I rebought not too long after, and basically all of this is all because of the Enservco stock. Nothing else really. So this is what I'm trying to pinpoint and why I need you guys to pay attention and why you guys have to buy this. Enservco, looking at this 5-year chart, it's been trending negatively for the past while, which is kind of a good thing now. Why it's good to get into today. The 52-week low is $11 cents, which was literally yesterday. That's all due to the Russian and Iran. They're doing something to the oil that's affecting the United States in a very impactful way. But today it looks like it's not really playing a role. Why I need you guys to pay attention to this is because it has gone, its lowest lows is 25 cents, 30, 37, and it's gone up, back up to 70, mid 60s, over $1. I would crap my pants if it would go up $1. Back to the mid 40s and 50s. And right now, in the past 3 months, it's pretty much been at its lowest of lows. Looking at the year chart from August on, it's been trending negatively, but there's been jumps where you can profit easily. Why I need you guys to pay attention is because, let me show you guys real quick. I have 50,000 shares of this. If each share were to go up 10 cents, that's $5,000. So if it were to go up 40 cents, it's $20,000, and that is a great investment. I've done a lot of research that shows that this stock supposedly is supposed to hit $2.10. We're not looking at that though. That's a big numbers. We're not looking. We want those, but we're not looking for that. So that can tell you that the profits that are smaller down here are great profits and faster profits, and you will jump down again to rebuy. So this is my number one stock. This stock will flourish, trust me. I've done so much research, and I'll get into how I researched it. I'll get into how I actually can look up the stocks and get the news on it. I'll show you guys. But what I'm trying to do is give you some other stocks too that I'm looking at. Going to what I just found the other day, Northern Oil and Gas. They're up at such a big number. Wow, look, 15 cents of today. Just today itself, if you bought at the bottom. That is a big number. As 100% buy, as you can see, the lowest it's ever been is 50 cents. All oil stocks really do have a up and down trend, especially they all hit the highs in the middle of the year. If you notice, it's the beginning of the year, but such a great profit margin. Northern Oil and Gas is something to look into. If we're explaining Tesla, I actually did lose money on for this due to the coronavirus. It was very bad. So I saw a big upwards trend. It's supposed to hit $1,000. It's actually a good time to get into right now, really. If you ask me, the lowest has been $600, for today, which is very low. Look at that. Wow. But let me show you my history. We're looking at it right now. As you can see, I lost $420.28 exactly in 2 days because of the coronavirus. That doesn't mean I just didn't want to wait for it to get back up, because I saw better opportunity in Enservco for the short term. So that's why I kind of pulled out of there. Oxygen, this is a crazy stock, man. If you look at this 5-year chart, it's been in the hundreds, and right now it's literally at 39 cents. I don't want to really risk my money buying it. I see the profit margins be way bigger. It's just it has no history of it jumping back up at certain dates. as well as Immunogen. This one did very good this past year. I've actually history with it. Sound like an old relationship. It's done quite well, honestly, but not the best. So let's not pay attention to that. This is one I want to talk about, as I'm smoking right now. Aurora Cannabis. His ad is a 52-week low. You see, if it's supposed to hit $3 next year and you buy 1,000 of these, you basically made $3,000. So weed stocks are cool to play with, but such a wild history. Such a wild history. If I had way more money, I would put money into that just to let it flow. Watch it come up later, but right now we're trying to shoot for the most. I know I don't have the most money in my account, but Robinhood, you need about like $5. You need about 10 cents to start. This thing is amazing. I love this app. Robinhood is the best investing app in my opinion. So let me break it down. Let me show you guys how to research up some stocks real quick before I end this video. Oh, it's actually jumped up a little bit. Let me see my day. See? Look at that. Boom. We're sitting at that right now. The market doesn't close till like another 2 hours. So this is what I wanted to point out. In the Enservco, obviously, if I could just go back to the main menu, we're gonna type in my stock, Enservco, and this is how I do my daily research, and this is how you and everybody else should do their daily research. You type in the Enservco stock, and you see this tab up here. You slide all the way to the left. You search tools. I'll go like anything in the past 24 hours because I've read everything for the past week already. I read all these articles except this one that just got posted an hour ago. I've read these ones already. Potential catalyst for gains, Let's look at this. Let me research it with you guys and show you guys. Everybody's lazy. Oops, that's an error, so fuck. I read this one. They basically talk about the day's performance, which I already know about. There we go. Enservco Corporation has seen its stock plummet by negative 11.56% over the past few days. It's trading around 13 cents. On Wall Street in the intraday deal, during that period, roughly 3 million shares were traded on NYSE, New York Stock Exchange, really. So the 90-day average daily trading volume is around 1.7 million, but 1.2 million extra shares were traded on that day. So it's gone up from 8.33% from its 52-week low of 12. So basically the 1.2 million extra shares were basically people buying the stock as it fucking hit because they know this thing is going to jump. So everyone's holding on to this right now. So the last NSV record was recorded at a 52-week high back in May 16, 2019. Yeah, we know that. See, it's basically telling us things we already know. The stock hasn't performed well. It's dropped by almost 10%. And this has led to its price decrease to stand at a negative 33% since the year. But it's not all good. The situation still not remains the same when its performance over the past few days has lost 15%, blah, blah, blah. If you look on the bottom, of the two Wall Street analysts that have rated the stock 100%, rated ENSV as a buy, while the remaining 0% analysts rated it as a hold. See, so basically everyone's saying buy this stuff. So, if we look on stuff, it doesn't really tell us how it's going to jump up. But this is the article that I remember that I did real quick. It's coming. What the heck? This article was just posted the other day. It wasn't this one, though. Yeah, it wasn't this one. What the heck? Nope. Sorry, guys. This is literally live. I did not have none of this ready. Damn. It was just an article. They could not have took that shit down. I don't know, but it's not here. It's okay. The stock will go up, but I hope this video helped y'all guys a little bit. See as it went back down. Look at that. I hope this video guys helped you guys out. This stock you guys should buy today because this stock is actually pretty much hit the bottom of the bottom, and it has to go back up. If you look at it, like I said in my last video, all the high points are in June. It is March now. You know, if you look at it, March, it jumped up in June. March, April, jumped up in June. Small numbers. March, jumped up in June. June. So this stock is a must, guys. Don't miss this out. And thank you for watching. I'll keep you guys updated. Appreciate you.